when I died for a minute. Oh, I'll record too. Great idea, actually.
First one's to beat this on camera too. That means that probably means something. I said stand back. Okay. Holy cow.
I don't know where I'm going. I'm lost. I've never played Island. I'm lost.
Go. I got this.
Oh, here, do you want this? Didn't have you want that.
Oh no, I lost my...
Shit.
Move it. Go, 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 go. What's this?
I forgot a chest right here.
Here we go. I'm spamming them to give us more coins. If you take a look, yeah, I've been giving us more coins. But say, did we crash?
Bro, Mike, that's what I thought, bro. Jesus.
Go, 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 go. This is the hardest part. Kind of. Ouch! Oh, I got hit. Revive. We have to spam revive because we're not this. Spam revive. Spam revive. Take him out. Ouch! I died again! Oh, I'm so trash! I used to be so good! Revive, revive, revive! Go revive, go revive, go revive! Just go, 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 go! Go revive, go revive! Go revive, go revive! Got you. Dude, the revive is so clutch.
It is though.
Yeah, we are not getting S rank, gang, I ain't gonna lie.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Hey,
We are literally I think we're the first people to beat this.
Dude, I can't get
Or
my
recording to beat this, so it's not. It doesn't matter. I can't do anything with.
What?
Die.
Oh my god, it's scared the shit out of me.
Don't worry, I'm good at this. I used to do this religiously. Never mind, I'm stupid.
Yeah, I know.
Shit.
Bro, literally just revive. Just keep reviving. No matter
I'm
what.
gonna get myself owner of owl so I can like revive, like self-revive. If I can like walk before I can do this one. Easy.
Yeah, this part won't work.
Why did I think I could teleport? That's just very low. I don't care. I'm in the middle of a battle. Don't make me useless.
Watch out!
Oh! Got you, got you. Woo! Revive, revive, revive. Run. Go up there, go up there. Got you, bro. Move, 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 move.
War!
War! I want war! Okay, I have to plug in my headset, meaning I'm gonna be very much neutered during the next fights. Yeah, there is.
That'd be cool if there was.
Yeah, there is. There was and is. Yeah, that thing is about to break. Wow! Behind you!
Okay.
Guys! Man the cannon!
Hit that thing.
This is a sword.
I can't hit it, I can't hit it.
Great game, guys. Great game. I missed.
Okay, let him shoot, let him shoot, let him shoot. Get out of the way, you fat ass.
Wait, I'm trying to block one. I want to be like the Matrix. Oh, that hit me right in the face. I'm not as cool. I know you can. I just don't remember how. Hold on, wait. I gotta see one first. I can block cannonballs, I guess. Nope.
Got
I'm
one.
not as cool. Nope.
You
I'm
can't,
gonna keep trying. I don't care.
you can't block them. They're bullets.
Yes, you can. I swear you can.
Maybe in the newer versions, but back then, you had to suck it up if you failed.
Listen, I've been playing records since like 2018. My birthday.
Yeah, I've been playing since 2020.
I'm a sword fighter.
Is the
I
game
used to play it.
broken?
I think so. I think we broke it. Hold on. Selfie. Wait.
Broken game. We
Wait,
also
what
got.
if we just glitched?
Yeah.
Oh shit. It did not like that.
Yep. We're gonna have to somehow get over there.
Alright. Let me think.
Wait, could you ask one of your friends to give you like colon or something?
If you stay here. Wait. If you stay here, I can join. Hold on, wait. Let me just join on the coach account. Hold on. Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second.
Oh my god. It's Coach! It's Coach! Wait, let me friend and let me take a photo with. Give me a second. This is a moment for me. Okay, backpack.
It appears. You know what we could do? We could just LARP. I'm gonna be honest. I could just gift us the eye patch or something and be like, yeah, we beat Isle. Or something. Actually, wait, no,
recording.
gifts don't work. Never mind. Yeah, we can't LARP. Fuck. How are we supposed to do this? Because this isn't gonna work.
Did you have Maker Pin?
Nah, I don't. I can't use Maker Pen in RROs. I'd have to change the actual game.
Okay.
Yeah, Coach can't even use Maker Pen in these rooms.
Good. Watch this.
Ouch!
Alright, so wait, it comes from the place you... There we go. Well,
Whoa!
something that was meant to happen. Okay.
Yeah, the game is bugged. I don't know. That should have fell.
Why?
How are there 4 people?
Don't ask. Don't.